Hello family, it's Shee back again with a hair tie tutorial. This is an updated rose gele and is to show you different ways to tie your rose gele. Don't forget to check all the information about the fabric in the description. So without taking much of your time, please stick around. And because I've been away for a while, that's why I'm giving you 2 hair ties tutorial. So please stick around. So to begin, my fabric is a double size, so I folded it into 2, then I place it from my back. All that you need with this hair tie is your hair band, and then tie it from the back on top of my forehead, flip it over, and then grab all the remaining fabric, tuck it inside. Mind you, the more you tuck it, the less you will have to tie together for the rose. So I tuck not much inside, so by grabbing everything, I use the hair tie to tie the fabric. So secure it properly in order for you to have a good hang of the fabric, in order to adjust it for your rose to look proper. So by doing so, we are beginning to form the shape of the rose. This is just under 5 minutes hair tie. So there we go. Just adjust it to your preference and then use a pin to pin it together. I decided to hide the pin, so I pin it underneath. Then I decided to open it up a bit. So there you go. Our rose gele is done. Thank you so much. I love you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next week. Bye bye.